Hi guys, yesterday I get a WhatsApp from a customer, told me that he wants some storage for his medals so we can pick it up and switch it for some empty ones. So let's make this happen for this customer, and I will take you with us how we make this. Going to make some holes because this is going to be outside, so the water it can go out. Just do it. Some holes, not a lot. It's only water, so that's no problem. For your extra information, I get this once for free on Marketplace, so there's no money in it. You just have to search for it. That's one, and it's done. It's 60 liters, so together it's 120. It's enough for a small customer. They can fill it. I switch it when they are full. When they're full, they are easy. Nah, not easy, but they are doable to do the lifting. Don't forget, everything that you do with your back and your legs. That's how easy it is.